All right, next we're going to look at a problem that deals with adding and subtracting decimals. Last season, the Hawks averaged 25 and 46 hundredths of a point per game. The Rebels averaged 4 points more per game. What was the Rebels' average per game? Let's see, we're solving for what was the Rebels' average per game. Last season, the Hawks averaged 25 and 46 hundredths of a point. The Rebels averaged 4 points more. That word more is a good sign that we're probably going to have to add in this problem. We don't know for sure, but it's a good clue. So what do we know? We know the Hawks averaged 25.46, and we know that the Rebels averaged 4. Now remember, when we're dealing with whole numbers and decimals, always if you have only a whole number, which is the case with this 4 with no decimal, go ahead and put a decimal out of sight to the right. We know it's there, we just don't see it. Go ahead and put it and fill in behind it with zeros just to make your life a little more simple when it's time to add and subtract. These are points. Our answer is going to be points, so we know we're adding or subtracting. Now, 25 and 46 hundredths. 4 points more. The Rebels averaged 4 points more, so I'm going to add 4. And here's why we put that decimal, because in order to add decimals, we have to line up our decimal places. Now we can add 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 0 is 4, bring down a decimal, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 0 is 2. So the Rebels averaged 29 and 46 hundredths of a point last season.